In the temple of modern space technology, some companies build the rockets everyone sees, others forge the hidden tools that help missions survive. Redwire Corporation belongs to that second group. Redwire is a space and defense technology company building critical systems for satellites, spacecraft, national security missions, and exploration beyond Earth orbit. Think of it less as a single rocket company, and more as a master craftsman supplying the blades, shields, and instruments for many missions at once. Its work includes solar arrays that power spacecraft, sensors that help vehicles understand their position, onboard computers, optical systems, deployable structures, and specialized components used across Earth orbit, lunar missions, Martian exploration, and deep space programs. One important example is NASA's Artemis program. Redwire has supplied optical and sensor technology connected to the Orion spacecraft, supporting the next era of human lunar exploration. Artemis is not just one mission. It is part of a larger push to build a sustained human presence around the moon. Redwire's strategy is built around infrastructure. As more governments and companies place assets in orbit, they need reliable power, navigation, robotics, manufacturing, and mission hardware. Redwire wants to be one of the suppliers behind that expansion. The company operates across the United States and Europe with roughly 1,300 employees. Its business sits where commercial space, civil exploration, and defense technology meet as demand grows for resilient systems, autonomous platforms, and faster deployment. Financially, Redwire is still a growth-stage aerospace company, not a mature defense giant. For full year 2025, it reported about $335 million in revenue, up from 2024. In the first quarter of 2026, revenue was about $97 million, showing continued top-line growth. But the lesson is not only revenue. Redwire has faced profitability pressure, integration costs, and the challenge of scaling in a capital-intensive industry. In space technology, growth can be powerful, but rarely simple. Its market position is interesting because Redwire does not compete with only one kind of company. Against Maxar, it faces a major space infrastructure and imagery player. Against L3 Harris, it meets a much larger defense and aerospace contractor. Against Rocket Lab, it overlaps with launch, spacecraft, and space systems. Redwire's advantage is specialization, mission-critical components, and integrated space infrastructure across multiple mission types. Its challenge is scale. Larger competitors may have deeper balance sheets, broader government relationships, and more room to absorb setbacks. So, is Redwire a future powerhouse or a risky emerging player? Honestly, both. It has advanced technology, real mission heritage, and exposure to powerful space and defense trends. But investors and industry watchers should watch margins, backlog quality, cash flow, debt, and whether growth becomes sustainable profitability. In old kung fu stories, the strongest warrior is not always the loudest in the courtyard.